Okay, it is day 1 of 3. We are on our final week before Christmas. We only have 3 days of work. So, very busy schedule. 40 hours crammed into, what are we left with? 27? 27 working hours today. Well, right off the hop here, day 1. Just doing a little reminiscing on some Polaroids. I was gonna be setting these out for the Christmas party, but never got to it. Here we've got June 21st, just a simple shop evaluation. July 1st, we've got Christian working on an upper, and he says, I'm sick of this upper. Mitchell, nothing like a good hardwood. We got Frank on July 29th, 2020. Don't put your hand in there. Not sure what he's talking about. June 30th, 2020. Detail takes true skill from Guy. Okay, it is bus shuffle day once again. What are we doing again? What's coming in? What's going out?
So we can finish it up.
So Larry just has to come out.
Yeah, we might have to shift this one over.
To watch that chase.
Okay, I've been tasked to watch our roof height clearances. I'm just the guy for this job. All the way. Okay, so now that Sully's pulled back in, Rooster's pulled back in, Gandalf's pulled back in, a few final touches going in, final cleans, some vinyl installs. Okay, I am going to show you guys Rooster. It's been a while since a tour has been had in there. But first, we've got some destruction going on in here. So we blew out all these walls. Used to be walls here. So this floor right here, 2 years ago, this was our first ever office. So a bit has changed. This is all our build storage. So these are specific to each build and their items. All this stuff is what's getting organized. So we're gonna get some more pallet racks, and then these wood shelves are going here. So from there, organized there. Okay, so that's our inventory situation right now. Hoping to start fresh after Christmas, have a nice clean start. What are you working on?
Speakers and stereo.
So Cole, last little finishing touches in Sully. All the speaker system going in. 4 speakers?
Yeah, 4 speakers.
So 2 zones. Okay, so we got 2 up front, 2 in the rear back there. And then he will be getting, what is he getting? Is he getting a whole head unit?
Yeah, it's right there on the floor.
That is getting installed later. Okay, so Cole is wrapping up the speaker system. Let's pop into Rooster. It has been a while since we've been in Rooster. That still cracks me up every single time. Look at that beautiful chandelier. Client choice. What's going on back here? Oh, just you back here. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Oh my god.
That calls for the outside too.
Wow. Pinstripe Beetlejuice. Alright, looking good. Okay, so currently Market is installing the vinyl in the shower. That's going in. And you said you've got vinyl for outside too?
Yeah.
What the heck did they get?
Something that says Rooster something. Yeah, and then 44 Serendipity Lane, I think.
Okay, cool. All right, so turns out we're getting an exterior decal installed as well. Rooster's getting a name badge. Okay, so Rooster was away for some mechanical work. I believe air brakes. I believe it had some coolant flushed and refilled. This bus came from the States, from Vegas, where it was nice and warm, so it was not prepped for -40 weather up here in Canada. Okay, so not much has happened on Rooster since it's been out of the shop. We are just waiting for a final clean. I believe that's happening right after vinyl gets installed. So final clean and caulk, and then it's time for a full tour. Boys are absolutely rocking on day one. Let's see what's happening in Ben. I keep flipping these names. Ben is the client, Gandalf is the bus. Anybody in here? Okay, empty bus, but I did spot the progress. Okay, so we did show off the vinyl last week. But now the shower's completely wrapped up with the Nebbia spa shower installed. I think 70% of the water consumption. It's adjustable. Well, just look at it. Look at that thing. Very slick unit. All right, it is day 2 of this week. Well, continuing the progress on the 3 builds in our shop. I'll pop down there at some point today and check those out. What's all happening this week, or today, Lori? What are you working on?
I'm working on a lot of orders.
Okay, so Lori is swamped on inventory and purchase order duty. We are currently ordering for 2 builds, 2 full builds. So we have hold on, I'm just getting set up here. Okay, so we have a van coming in. It's gonna be one of our first spec model vans. Excited to show that one off. We have a bus coming in. It is a full-size bus with a roof raise. You guys saw a peek of that last week. And third, ordering and finalizing is currently happening for another mid-size bus. Sounds like it's also getting a roof raise. I've been doing a lot of office stuff this week. Terribly boring. But first on my list today, I've been tasked to go pick up some pallet racks. We're gonna be continuing that sort downstairs in the inventory room, and we need more storage. So, quick trip to Saskatoon. Come on, buddy. Woo! Woo! Oh, we got ourselves a mess. Day 3 starting in the shop. It is Christmas. I wouldn't say it feels like Christmas, but I am hearing some tunes that definitely only play at Christmas. I think the guys are feeling a little bit festive. Is this your song? Is this your playlist?
This is the first time I actually listened to the song this year.
Not seeing any Christmas hats today though, unless Christian has his on. Oh! Always count on Christian to be festive. It's another hat! Alright, we got a couple festive boys. Come on! Good boy! Alfie, not so much. Come on! Let's go! Come on! There you go, nice and... No, come... Alfie, on your own time. Okay, day 3, final day before Christmas. Christmas tunes are pumping in the shop. John is not happy about it. He's really voiced his concerns with the Christmas tunes. Not in the spirit. I have just been informed that John is pulling up all the ram board and protectant. So we're gonna get our first look at cabinets and actual finished materials. Let's go start with that. Okay, so we do have a very strict booty policy in place. Once the ram board comes up, there's no traffic inside our units without some booties on. That is it. It is Christmas. The boys are officially off until, what did we say? Back in the shop on the 3rd of January. We'll be pushing these builds out. Obviously, they are very close to done, just getting cleaned up. We're gonna go have a good break, hopefully get some much deserved rest. You know, honestly, just looking back at those little Polaroids that we had on my desk, I can't believe how far we've come in 3 years. So I just wanna mention how proud I am of our team. Every single person played a role, and we put in a lot of hard work this year. Thank you so much to our clients. What an absolute blast each build has been. And I hope everyone has an excellent break. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for sharing, liking, commenting, anything. We are super excited for the new year. It was a huge 2021, and at times a very stressful 2021. Obviously, we're still going through this whole pandemic thing, navigating that one, navigating materials. A lot of changes, but we're learning and we're growing. Thanks for sticking with us, and we got some very cool builds coming up in 2022. So everyone have a great holiday season. We will see you January 3rd.
Bye.